Hi, my name is Priscilla Verastegui, and in this presentation I'll be analyzing foraging behavior in wild squirrels using Tinbergen's 4 levels of analysis. Okay, in my videos I've recorded several natural squirrel behaviors. I captured a squirrel foraging on the ground, climbing and walking along a branch, a brief chase between 2 squirrels, and a startled response when a skateboarder passed by. These clips show feeding, movement, competition, and vigilance in a real outdoor setting. The first clip shows a single squirrel foraging for a few moments before climbing back onto the tree. And then the second video shows a squirrel walking along a branch. For my causation hypothesis, I propose that sudden sounds or movements trigger immediate vigilance and escape behaviors in squirrels. In this clip, the squirrel stops foraging when it hears a skateboard, pauses to check for danger, and then quickly climbs a tree. Diggins 2021 explains that squirrels depend on fast auditory and visual cues to detect threats, which supports this reaction. For my development hypothesis, I propose that squirrels improve their foraging and vigilance skills through experience. As they grow, they learn how to assess food, switch behavior smoothly, and respond more effectively to disturbances. Delgado 2017 found that adult squirrels refine their skills over time, which matches the confident behavior shown in my clips. For my evolution hypothesis, I propose that these behaviors developed over generations as adaptations to different predators and habitats. Huang 2020 showed that squirrel species evolved distinct vigilance and foraging strategies depending on where they lived historically. Chasing, spacing, and fast scanning are common across species and reflect long-term evolutionary pressure. For my functional hypothesis, I propose that these behaviors help squirrels stay safe while still gathering food efficiently. In this clip, one squirrel chases the other, and then they both forage several feet apart to reduce conflict. They also squeak during the chase to signal dominance and avoid actual fighting. Tatina 2007 explains that squirrels balance energy gain with safety, which supports what we see in the video. Alright, these are clips that I already showed before. These clips together show a range of key behaviors: foraging, climbing, chasing, spacing, and vigilance. Each behavior connects to a different Tinbergen level and helps explain why squirrels act the way they do. This also relates to optimal foraging theory. Squirrels constantly balance risk and reward while feeding. They pause or flee when danger is nearby. They compete for space, and they choose feeding spots that maximize energy while minimizing risk. In summary, Tinbergen's framework helps explain squirrel behavior from multiple angles. Squirrels react to immediate cues, learn and improve with age, show evolved strategies shaped by their ancestors, and use behaviors that help them survive day to day. The 4 clips I recorded clearly demonstrate how these levels work together in real foraging situations. Alrighty, and then these are the 4 primary sources I use to support each part of my analysis. Thank you.